As we always say, most videos on YouTube talk about remote work, but rarely show you exactly where to apply. On this channel, we walk you through real, open remote jobs you can apply to step by step. So, if you're watching this from Africa, Europe, or anywhere in the world, hit that subscribe button. Because today, we're covering 2 legit remote jobs you can apply for right now, no degree required. Welcome to Remote Hustle Europe. Let's get straight into it. Job 1. Virtual Assistant at NoGigiddy. Company Overview. NoGigiddy is a gig staffing platform that connects remote workers with jobs through apps like Upshift and Indeed Flex. Their mission is to make gig work more flexible and convenient, especially for people looking for remote part-time or full-time roles. As a virtual assistant, you're not just answering emails. You become your client's go-to person, the one who keeps everything on track. This is a contractor role, which means you choose how many clients you take on and how many hours you want to work each month. Responsibilities? Here's what you'll be handling: managing calendars and scheduling for executives, organizing emails, preparing spreadsheets and presentations, running social media accounts, researching tools, and making recommendations, updating client data and CRM systems, booking flights, accommodations and restaurants, coordinating events, and assisting with project tasks, handling occasional personal tasks as needed. This role is all about keeping operations running smoothly behind the scenes. Requirements: to qualify, you should be organized, detail-oriented, and a strong multitasker, able to manage your time and solve problems independently, friendly, professional, and confident with communication, comfortable learning new tools and working with tech. You'll also need a home office setup with a Mac or PC with a webcam, at least 8 GB RAM, a stable internet connection, a smartphone with email, and a quiet, dedicated workspace. They ask for a minimum of 20 hours of availability during weekdays and some past experience in admin or virtual assistant roles. Why this job is worth it? While hours aren't guaranteed, you'll get access to a network of vetted clients from industries like real estate, finance, non-profits, and more. Each contract comes with your own dedicated success consultant to support you. It's flexible, remote, and a solid way to build a long-term remote career. You can apply directly on We Work Remotely or head over to NoGigiddy.com. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit like so YouTube can share it with more people. Drop a comment telling us which job you're applying to or what niche you want us to cover next. Job 2. Data Entry Clerk at Delicate Cosmetics Inc. Company Overview. Delicate Cosmetics Inc. isn't your typical beauty brand. They manufacture makeup, skincare, and spa products for other companies, so they're more behind the scenes in the cosmetic world. Right now, they're hiring a remote data entry clerk to help keep their product and inventory systems accurate and up to date. Responsibilities. Here's what you'll be doing in this role: entering and updating product details, pricing, and stock data, ensuring accuracy and consistency across systems, reviewing, verifying, and correcting errors, organizing clean data for analysis and reports, working with internal teams to resolve any data issues. If you love clean spreadsheets and working independently, this one's for you. Requirements. Here's what they're looking for: a high school diploma or equivalent, 1 to 2 years of experience in data entry or admin work, comfort using Microsoft Office tools, strong accuracy and attention to detail, ability to manage your time and hit deadlines. If you have experience in beauty or retail, that's a plus, but it's not required. What makes it stand out? Unlike most data entry jobs, this one comes with a full package of benefits, including dental and vision insurance, paid time off, a retirement savings plan, flexible schedules, employee discounts, and even a health savings account. And yes, the position is fully remote. Final thoughts: both jobs are excellent entry points into remote work, especially if you don't have a college degree. The virtual assistant role is perfect if you like interacting with people and working across different industries. The data entry role is better if you prefer focused, independent work without much client communication. Either way, both are remote, flexible, and hiring now. You'll find the direct links to apply below. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more real job walkthroughs every single week. And remember, the world is hiring remotely. You just need to know where to look. See you in the next one.